leading cancers ranging from lung, breast, prostate, as well as stomach, liver cancers, followed by cervical cancer that we are here to speak and give more attention to today. Let's do so. That cervical cancer is preventable through vaccination. If that was not the case, then we wouldn't have been here today, because we are convinced the number of women who we are able to prevent by putting through a vaccination regimen will live full lives. We will be introducing this vaccine starting Friday to our routine immunization schedules of the year 2019 at a cost of 800 million shillings for this year that we are doing the introduction. Tutaweka kwa vile tutafuata wasichana pahali wako, tutakuwa na mabaraza kupitia county government wakishikana pamoja na wenzetu ambao wako kwa Wizara ya Security and Interior, na tutatumia pia mahali kama soko kuzungumza haya maneno,